Yeah. I'm gonna slash and gash and rip another hole in your motherfucking ass. I'll smear blood on the walls and play tennis with your motherfucking balls. If the phone rings, don't answer the fucking call. Yeah, nigga, I'm a scary motherfucker. Yeah, motherfucking hard hip hop, sick in the head, bloodshed on the fucking bed. Fuck with a psycho and you end up dead. Those who didn't live ground in the turtle's fucking head. Niggas running up, pushing me in every direction. Must be tired of living, cut off your head in Thanksgiving in a warm bed. Yeah, here we go, psycho in the motherfucking head. Don't fuck with me because you'll end up dead. Yeah, I heard you were whack, motherfucker. Here's something more whack than you'll ever think about. Tied a needle to my dick, then my grandmother ruled me like I'm a fucking sick. And another nigga in this world can match since I feel like swimming rap piss. You can try this, but I know you won't even come close to rap piss. That shit's making me dizzy like a cigarette for the first time. Click the brick in motherfucking spine. Yeah, people say I'm crazy, but it's just life, so don't fucking face me. Tired of life, wanna do something crazy. Maybe selling my soul to the devil will phase me. Yeah, saying random shit. Devil inside, you better not fucking hide. This is your time to shine. You're my partner in crime. You made a promise, but you fucking lied. Yeah, 666, don't care if you like chicks or some nasty as dicks. Yeah, you can't fuck with my flow. I'll knock you out and tell your girl to give me a motherfucking blow. Yo, here's something else for you. I got 7-8 inches in these pants and most of my meat's in your fucking sister's hands. Yeah, nigga, don't fuck with me. Make money rain from the ceiling like I'm a motherfucking G. Yeah, devil in disguise. Rapping till my blow gets bigger. Yo, smoking hash like I'm in first class. Yeah, nigga, roll the blunt, toss it to the back, and in this rap crap piece, nigga.